Welcome back to our channel, Project Vagrant, where we bring you van life content. Okay, hold on, let's start over. Welcome back to our channel, Project Vagrant, where we bring you van life content almost monthly. I'm Tasha.
I'm Joey.
And today we're doing the Petrified Forest.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
One cool thing about this national park that not a lot of national parks do is that it's dog friendly. So you can bring your doggos.
Nice. Petrified wood is usually buried under silt or volcanic ash, which slows the decaying process. Over millions of years, mineral-rich water seeps into the wood as it slowly breaks down. Eventually, these minerals crystallize, leaving us with what we see here. Different minerals cause the varying colors. When we finished the Giant Logs Trail, the ranger gave all our pups a treat with this Spark Ranger sticker. I'm starving and hungry, so I'm gonna have a Cliff Bar before we continue on. We drove further north into the park to the Crystal Forest Trail, which is by Martha's Butte. We waited for our friends.
There's Cody and Brian, our convoy.
Yeah!
Before
walking the trail. There's a link in the description to their blog and Instagram if you want to check it out. The Crystal Forest Trail was pretty similar to the Giant Logs Trail, but with some higher viewpoints. On the way out of the park, we pulled over at Lacey's Point to see this crazy panoramic view of the Painted Desert. Before we let you guys go, I just wanted to say thank you so much for following our journey and coming with us to the Petrified Forest National Park. We're now posting our vlogs in real time, so we were really behind. We had like 6 months worth of video that needed edited, and now I've just skipped all that because it wasn't feasible for me to get caught up. We're now at the Grand Canyon, this beautiful campsite. Look at that, it's the Colorado River. It's absolutely amazing. So guys, if you enjoyed following us on this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys next week. Thank you.